Looks like California out there for some reason. It's such a beautiful day. It would have been a really good day to hang with my grandma. I really want to go over there tomorrow.
Today's the day I'm ready to fly! Sunday, hopefully not so bloody Sunday. You know, one of the best things about camo pants is that you can't really tell how dirty they are. I wish I could take out Jerome on a day like today. He would love it. He would love to go outside and play right now. All right. I'm ready to do some lights. Let me in. Let me at 'em.
I'm out on an errand. Same stuff, different day. I like to drive fast, but I never drive faster than my guardian can fly. What up?
What's up, guest?
Got the booty! I don't even like this song. Why are you messing with my emotions? Got the other booty. Littleton is weird. And also the people that live in Littleton are weird because they almost had recreational marijuana here and they didn't pass it. For real though, I don't know how anyone can eat pho in this weather. It's really hot.
Oh my gosh, I can't even. These lighting boards are so annoying. I'm gonna have to run over somewhere and see if I can download some files. It's stressful, but it's not life and death. And the guys who are telling us what to do don't even speak English, so it's like reverse construction site. That was tedious, for sure. Definitely tedious. I don't want to go into why, but trust me, unless you want to know, if you want to know the technical reason why that was tedious, let me know and I'll tell you. I have a feeling the comment section will be crickets. Crickets. Tonight's show is like a student performance, like the School of Rock, but a little softer. Here we go! Here we go!
Yeah, we're shopping at Whole Foods, Whole Foods. Yeah, we're shopping at Whole Foods. Tonight. Solo mission. Yes. Got the booty. Hua!
It's too cold for you here and now, so let me.
Some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know.
Man, I can't believe it's still kind of light outside. It's like after 9, which is an early night for me. Yay! Yay!
Oh my god, it's my baby.
Oh my God. What is this timing?
Hi, baby.
Hey, Vanya.
I thought about how bad I feel that you got stung by a jellyfish, and I thought you were just trying to dunk me, or
I had to pee on you.
Yeah. Silver lining. Golden lining.
Right.